Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee 80th anniversary in slate blue. With HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crossback detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7488.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.